there is 0, good. So system has a tendency to become more disordered. So it is spontaneous. And of course, it agrees with our expectation that if you have a larger space, the red ball, the blue ball will occupy everywhere. All right? And now, if you have two identical boxes mixed together, you don't have any entropy change. Oh, Jerry, I think mixing, or I thought mixing would always lead to larger entropy. No. That's what you thought only, but according to thermodynamics, no. Does it surprise you? I hope you're not surprised, because in thermodynamics, we only read from equation, not from your gut feeling. Okay, just like your mom said your room is very disordered. No. It's a dinosaur. Yes. All right? Not from your impression, but from the basic definition of disorder in thermodynamics.